What is going on with the old turkey Bitcoin? We are looking at the daily chart, and the data I have is 5:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 21st. Yesterday, when we look at Bitcoin, it was looking very optimistic because after I did the video, Bitcoin trended up, crossed over the 10 days, ran all the way to 43,400. But then after that, all of a sudden, within the next few hours, we saw this major crash where the price dropped all the way down to 37,500. That is roughly about 14% drop. What could possibly cause Bitcoin to take this negative turn? I believe there are two possible reasons. First, Bitcoin was trending after the stock market. If you follow the stock market, the market has been trading lower due to the fear of rising in inflation rate. But yesterday, right after the market opened, the stock tried to reverse direction and trended up. But around 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, it ran out of steam. And after that, the price took a major dive. Same thing happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trending up, and then around 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, it's very much follow the trend of the stock market. The only thing I can think of is traders are dumping risky assets, and cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, are still considered as a risky asset. The second bad news came out of Russia. Russia's central bank is proposing ban on use and mining of cryptocurrency. This is very similar to what happened last year after Bitcoin reached an all-time high. Few weeks after that, it was the Chinese. China was proposing ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies, and obviously that caused a downturn in the market. And now we are seeing the same thing is coming out of Russia. So will we see another bear market? Personally, I don't think so. I think 2022 is going to be a good year for cryptocurrency. Here's why. First of all, the news comes out of Russia will become old news very soon. But we still have to expect the price to be extremely volatile over the next couple weeks. The stock market has been trending down so much. So it's very likely that we are going to see the stock market stabilize and starting to bounce up, and that would definitely help the crypto market. So even though right now everything is looking very scary, but I do believe that Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency will eventually rebound. So I am not selling anything. But let's take a look at the hour chart. Yesterday, when we look at Bitcoin, was right at this point. It was forming this inverted head and shoulder, and after that, it was looking great, broke out, and very much hit the target for the breakout of this inverted head and shoulder. Then we had this major drop in price. The two major support level at 40,500 and 39.5 did not hold. I mean, it just continued on this free fall. Then finally found support at 37.5. And now we're starting to see Bitcoin stabilizing. All right, so let's talk about the worst case scenario. Assuming the 37.5 does not hold support, and if the price were to break down, then the next major support level would be at the 36.5. Break down, then we're looking at 36,000. I really hope that 37.5 would provide support, and we would likely see Bitcoin stabilizing and trending up. The 39.5 now will become a major resistance. So definitely Bitcoin will have a lot of hurdles to cross over before we could potentially see it starting to run up and trade above the 40,000 again. But like I said before, I still expect 2022 going to be a good year for Bitcoin. So right now, just hang tight. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.